Bhupinder Singh Maan, former lawmaker and national president of Bharatiya Kisan Union, on Thursday said that he is recusing himself from the four-member committee constituted by the Supreme Court on farm laws to resolve the impasse between farmers and the centre over the new agri-marketing laws. Farmer unions and opposition parties had raised doubts over the composition of the panel, insisting its members have been in favor of the three laws in the past. Maan said he is thankful to the Apex Court for nominating him on the panel but would give up any position to prevent farmers' interest from being compromised. Bird flu has not spread among chickens in Delhi, an official said on Thursday after all the 100 samples taken from Asia's largest poultry market in Ghazipur tested negative. The results come a day after civic authorities imposed a temporary ban on sale and storage of poultry or processed chicken meat in view of the bird flu situation here. Earlier, samples taken from crows and ducks at parks and lakes in the national capital tested positive for the avian influenza. This had prompted the Delhi government on Monday to ban the sale of processed and packaged chicken brought from outside the city and shutting the wholesale poultry market in East Delhi for 10 days as a precautionary measure. A former IAS officer who spent years in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's team and is among his most trusted aides joined the BJP today. Arvind Kumar Sharma joined the party in Uttar Pradesh's Lucknow. Sharma is tipped for the UP Legislative Council and may be given an important post in the government of Yogi Adityanath. Elections to the 12 seats of the Legislative Council are due on January 28th. The bureaucrat was secretary in the centre's Ministry for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. His voluntary retirement this week came as a surprise to many, but by all accounts he is set for a significant political role in Uttar Pradesh. The 1988 batch IAS officer of the Gujarat cadre is from Mau in UP. Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Thursday said the government's decision for the purchase of 83 light combat aircraft Tejas from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited will help to create more than 50,000 jobs in the country. The Cabinet Committee on Security on Wednesday cleared the purchase of 83 light combat aircraft Tejas at a cost of Rs 48,000 crores, the biggest ever deal in the indigenous military aviation sector. The approval by the CCS, which is headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself, comes 10 months after the Defence Acquisition Council in March 2020 okayed the procurement of 83 more advanced Mark 1A version of the light combat aircraft. The Vatican today said that Pope Francis and ex-Pope Benedict have received the coronavirus vaccine. I can confirm that as a part of the Vatican City state vaccination program to date, the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine has been administered to Pope Francis and the Pope Emeritus, spokesman Matteo Bruni said. The announcement came a day after the Vatican, the world's smallest state, began its own ambitious COVID-19 vaccination program. A statement said the program started in the atrium of the large audience hall that is normally used for papal audience. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.